up on some people who are probably going to be looking at me strange. I guess you got to get used to this when you're vlogging. Okay, that was totally awkward. Hey everybody, CRMediaGal here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm doing something very, very different, as you can tell. I am out of my bedroom and I am attempting to vlog for the first time. I'm not sure how this is gonna go. I may chicken out. I'm not sure how much vlogging I'm actually going to do, but today my plan is to head to At Home and then possibly Michael's and or AC Moore. I'm on the hunt for some fall decor, maybe even some Halloween decor, mostly for my bedroom. I'm a huge lover of autumn. It's my absolute favorite time of year. I feel like everybody says that, especially like on YouTube and whatnot. Everybody's like, oh, I love autumn, it's my favorite time of year, but honest to God, I mean it when I say it's my absolute favorite time of year. By the time January hits, I'm already thinking about autumn. Yeah, I get so excited. I'm thinking about autumn all year round. I wish it could be autumn all the time. Summer's my least favorite season. I cannot stand the heat, and especially the humidity here in Pennsylvania is awful. So I have been anxious to get into the stores and see what fall decor is. If you're not ready for autumn and you're not ready to talk about autumn, come back when you're ready. There is a lot of traffic today and I'm like nervous. I feel like every car I pass is like looking over at me funny. And I'm sure they're not. They should be watching the road. Okay guys, sorry about that. I got too nervous to try and vlog and drive at the same time, which is probably smart to turn this off. I mean, I've arrived at Home, so I'm gonna head in there very shortly. If you're new to my channel, by the way, hello and welcome. My name is CRMediaGal, also known as Andrea in the fandom and fanfiction world. If you enjoy these kind of shopping with me videos, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. That would really encourage me and help me to hopefully be brave enough to do some future vlogging for you guys. And be sure to subscribe so that you get feature notifications from me. Again, I'm not sure how much vlogging I'm actually going to do because I'm so not used to this and I'm a little nervous. There's not a lot of people here, thank goodness. So hopefully that will help. Not sure how much talking in there I'll do either, but yeah, I'm gonna shut up and let's just get shopping. Hopefully this will be fun for you guys. Hey guys, so I just left at home. That was a lot more nerve-wracking than I thought it would be. There weren't that many customers in there, but it felt like every time I went to film, just to give you guys a glimpse of what they had, somebody would come into the aisle. Yeah, I'm not sure how much footage I actually got. Hopefully I got enough that you at least got an idea of what's in stores, at least in my local at home. Half debating whether I'm gonna actually go to Michael's. I thought about going to Michael's and AC more, but I actually picked up a couple things at home today, and I was actually there back in June, so I might just make this a shopping with me at home and a haul for you from the store alone. Just because I have a feeling if I go to Michael's or AC Moore right now, there's a lot more customers here. My AC Moore and Michael's gets jam-packed with people, so I'm not sure if I'm up for vlogging there today. So I might put that off and do that another day. Hopefully you guys don't mind that, but I will do a haul for you when I get home. All right guys, so I am back from my short little shopping spree to at home, and I wanted to share a couple of the things that I picked up. I was also there in, I want to say back in June, about a couple autumn decor pieces for my bedroom, but I figured I would hold off on showing those to you till now, so it's actually kind of convenient because I figured nobody but me is going to be ready to see autumn decor at the start of summer but me. So I'm going to show some of those pieces in here as well. I didn't pick up too much today, and I did have a 10% coupon to use that was going to expire soon, so I did use that as well. And I'm not sure if I actually showed any of these in my vlog. Hopefully I did, but if I didn't, I apologize. This is my first time doing this, so and it was a little nerve-wracking. So my bedroom decor is mainly blush and teals with little other pops of colors in there. And so I saw this turquoise / teal pumpkin, so I decided to pick that up. I thought that was pretty sweet. This was, the initial price was $10.99, and I'll find a place for it somewhere in my room. I'm actually super excited and half tempted to start decorating for fall, not just in my bedroom, but all over the house. I'm trying to restrain myself, but maybe I'll show that to you guys in a future video. If you guys are interested, comment down below and let me know. Then I also picked up this really sweet velvet pumpkin. It's like a burgundy red. It's really, really pretty. You see that there. And this was initially $3.99. They had a bunch of these in all sorts of different colors, but I decided I want other little pops of color in here besides, you know, what my usual decor is. So I thought this would go really well in here. And lastly, in today's shopping with me, I got this white pumpkin sign. It has an easel thing on the back here, and it says eat, drink, and be cozy. I thought that was perfect. I actually thought to use this in the back of some of my fall videos, so I thought that was really cute. And this was $12.99. Then for the stuff that I got back in June, and all of this stuff actually is still in at home, at least in my local at home, which it should have been because it's all fall decor, and nobody but me is buying fall decor in June. So, oh, so much paper. Okay. So I bought 3 of these cute little pumpkins because they do go perfectly again with my bedroom decor colors. So first I got this cute little turquoise pumpkin. It's got orange polka dots on it. These were all $3.99. And then I got a black one with a teal stem that says boo on it. I thought that was super cute, and spider webs. Then I got this blush, I guess plaid style pumpkin. And lastly, I'm kind of mad at myself for not like waiting for this to potentially go on sale, but the fact that they actually had fall decor in at the beginning of summer like just floored me and just got me so ecstatic, so I couldn't help myself. So I think this is too expensive as is. I would wait for a sale if you can, but I picked up this stacked pumpkin decoration that just says Happy Halloween on it. And again, it's got the teal with the orange polka dots, it's got the blush one up here with the plaid design, and then just a white one with gold lettering in the middle. And this was $29.99. Way too expensive. Wait for a sale to get something like this. But yeah, it's cute. It's gonna go perfect in my room. So again, I do plan to, when I decorate, incorporate more traditional fall colors in my room as well, because that's actually what I prefer. but I do like that I can also incorporate, you know, my usual bedroom decor colors as well. So yeah, I thought this was so cute, and I think this pumpkin's gonna go great. It's a little bit of a darker color, but I think all together it's all gonna go really well. So that's my short little haul for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. And I'm sorry, I'm really new to vlogging, and I'm not sure exactly how much vlogging I'm gonna do, but I hope you enjoyed this short little shopping spree with me. Hopefully it got you excited for fall, or got you some really interesting ideas for how to decorate for the fall. Comment down below and let me know what interests you that they had in stores, or what was your favorite from my short little haul of the things that I bought. I'd love to know. Don't forget to click that subscribe button below, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye!